Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Sorry, the earlier video that I posted came without audio. I hope this video has some audio. I just corrected my settings and see what we saw earlier is as per today analysis we had a bullish move based on this, right? We were expecting a break of this black trend line and some up move to come, and the up move has come today. See, earlier in my analysis, like yesterday, we saw the bank nifty was, the overall market was supposed to gap up big time. Like we were expecting a gap up close to this level of 42,500 or 600, but we got a pretty flat opening, a 200-point gap up, and then we got this nice rally after retesting this black trend line. So this is pretty much what we had the targets as this level 42,600, that is R1 of CPR, and the right now the other target is the 200 EMA on 15 minutes. The 200 EMA is around 750. See, initially in our group we kind of posted that there could be some resistance on the upside. If you see this chart, right, you see the call writing that was there. So we were expecting some sort of resistance, but within half an hour things changed. There was a nice there were enough of put writing that came in, and that's why we mentioned that see the difference, this data is definitely bullish, and our two targets on the upside were this R1 and the 200 EMA on 15 minutes. Though the R1 target hit and some selling pressure has started off, the trailing stop loss was this R1 itself. Now this is on the 15-minute chart. Now if I shift to a 5-minute chart, see, we tested the previous day high, and from previous day high we are taking some sort of a sell-off, right? We possibly this was a dip to retest this level, right? So once kind of this trend line breaks, I wouldn't mind being on the bullish side again. Say this type of this channel breaks on the upside, right? Once this breaks, there is a possibility that we could be on the bullish side again. So we'll have to wait and watch. Why is that? The open interest is supporting this data. That is, now say the overall open interest is showing some resistance at 42,700. But if you see the change in OI for today, we have put writing that's come in until 42,700. So there is a chance we could hit 750 once this trend line breaks. That is this way, right? And on the 15-minute, the target is this 200 EMA at about 42,740. And if we also see the global markets, how the global markets are doing, the US market has slipped a little bit, even the European markets, but they are in green. So there is a possibility we could continue on the upside. Now, where would the downtrend completely be confirmed is when we kind of break from this consolidation, right? See, in the morning, if I go back to a 15-minute chart, we can see that we consolidated in this area and we broke out. So if we go below this, there's a possibility we'll retest the CPR as well. Now the next target apart from this 20 EMA on the upside is this monthly CPR, right? If we get a breakout, nice breakout on the upside, there's a possibility we might even hit 42,800. The best place to enter is only when this type of this consolidation breaks out. That is the current high, about 700 breaks out. Probably we can take a scalp entry until here, the monthly CPR. And if you check Nifty has also had a nice bullish move today. See, once Nifty broke out of this target, right, Nifty retested this trend line. This was a beautiful entry in the morning with the targets as 18,027 and 18,120. All the targets that we had marked has achieved. So let's see how the market goes from here. The open interest data is on the bullish side, but one thing to be careful is this reversal from this previous day high. We have rejected this previous day high and come up. Now the next up move will come only and a possible entry only if this previous day high level breaks out. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm kind of expecting this type of structure to form and break out. It's already forming, right? It's taking support and resistance along this channel. Once this breaks out, probably we could get some more on the upside.